If I woke up this year out of shape, overweight, out of rhythm, here's exactly how I get in shape. All of the equipment in today's video is available down below. And I'm saying this as someone who had to stop, heal, and get back into the swing of things. So if you're starting over, kind of like I am, make sure you listen close. If you want to build a lean, athletic body with a weighted jump rope, this channel is for you. I break down how to train smarter, choose the right rope, and get real results. Life happens, work gets busy, stress piles up, your routine disappears. Suddenly your cardio feels gone. That doesn't mean you failed, it means you're human.
I'm not out of shape, I'm scared.
Recently, that was me. I had to pull back from jumping rope because of a leg injury that forced me to rest everything. And honestly, it reminded me what actually matters when you're starting over. Being out of shape isn't a weakness, it's just information. If I was starting over in 2026, here's what I would not do. I wouldn't jump every day at max effort. I wouldn't chase sweat like it's proof of progress. I wouldn't copy advanced jumpers on YouTube for every single little thing. And I wouldn't jump rope when I'm really tired. I would just take the day off. That mindset is part of how I ended up sidelined. The jump rope will humble you if you rush it. How I'd start with 5 to 10 minutes max. Not to get tired, not to burn calories, just to build rhythm. Jump rope is a skill before it's cardio. If my breathing gets sloppy, I stop. If my timing breaks down, I stop. I'd rather finish feeling good than finish exhausted, at least at this point. Real talk, it should feel a little bit too easy at first. If it doesn't feel that way, it's too hard. This part matters more than people think. When you're out of shape or coming back from an injury, the rope you choose can either help you or sabotage you. And this is where most beginners mess up big. Quick break, because if you're watching this and wondering what I actually used, let me show you. When I was coming back from injury, I didn't even start with the traditional rope. I started with a cordless weighted rope. No tripping, no fear of catching the rope, just pure timing and movement. This is huge if you're out of shape or rehabbing because confidence matters. You still get the arm feedback, you still get the rhythm, but you remove the biggest frustration. I'll link the exact cordless rope I used below. Once timing felt solid, I moved to a light weighted rope. Not speed, not tricks. The weight gives you feedback so you feel the rope. That's why weighted ropes are so beginner friendly when you use them the right way. Again, I'll link the weighted rope I recommend below. If you're starting over, these two tools make the process smoother and safer. Back to the plan. Week 1 is simple. 3 to 5 short sessions, 5 to 10 minutes, stop before fatigue. If you're sore on day 2, you already did a little too much. Progress doesn't come from punishment. Here's the order I'd follow every time. First, I'd add time, then I'd add weight. Only later do you add speed. Your lungs adapt fast, your tendons don't. That's a lesson I learned the hard way. Rushing feels productive until it isn't. The reason why we're doing this slow and steady type of approach is because we want to make this a more sustainable workout. It's how I work out all the time, so I want to be doing this 5 years from now. So slow and steady will build up skill, build up confidence, and get you right in motion. If you try to do too much stuff at once, you'll notice, like I said earlier, it really will humble you. And when I say humble you, I mean humble.
Oh, that is humbling.
If you're out of shape and you want a real plan, don't guess. I built a 7-day beginner jump rope plan that walks you through this exact process step by step. Short sessions, beginner pacing, injury awareness. Click the link below, grab the plan, and start the right way. This is the same framework I use coming back from my injury. If it worked for me, it'll work for you. If you want to know the jump rope I recommend the most for beginners to start with, make sure you check this video out right here. If you want simple training that actually changes your body, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and grab my free 7-day weighted jump rope plan below. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.